Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to transform your body in just 30 days? If you've been looking for a way to get fit, build muscle, and feel amazing, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 must-do exercises that will help you achieve your fitness goals. Imagine feeling stronger, more confident, and full of energy in just 1 month. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's totally possible. These exercises are designed to target multiple muscle groups, boost your metabolism, and improve your overall fitness. And the best part? You can do them anywhere, anytime, with no equipment needed. So if you're ready to take on this 30-day challenge and see real results, stick around. Let's dive into these 5 powerful exercises that will help you transform your body and your life. Let's get started. First up, we have push-ups. This fundamental exercise is a staple in many fitness routines for a reason. Push-ups are a classic exercise that work wonders for your upper body strength. They are simple yet highly effective. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. This makes them a comprehensive workout for multiple muscle groups. Plus, they're super versatile and can be modified to suit any fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, there's a push-up variation for you. To do a proper push-up, start in a plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. This setup is crucial for maintaining balance and targeting the right muscles. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. This alignment helps prevent injury and ensures that you're engaging your core effectively. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up to the starting position. This full range of motion maximizes muscle engagement. Remember to keep your core engaged and your movements controlled. This not only enhances the effectiveness of the exercise but also helps in building stability. If you're a beginner, you can start with knee push-ups. This modification reduces the load on your upper body while still providing a solid workout. Simply drop your knees to the ground while maintaining a straight line from your head to your knees. This form ensures that you're still engaging your core and upper body. As you get stronger, you can progress to full push-ups. This transition is a great way to measure your improvement and build confidence. Push-ups not only build muscle but also improve your cardiovascular health. They elevate your heart rate, making them a good addition to any cardio routine. They get your heart rate up and help you burn calories. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy body composition. Plus, they can be done anywhere, at home, in the park, or even in your office during a break. This convenience means you can fit them into your schedule no matter how busy you are. Incorporate push-ups into your daily routine and you'll notice a significant improvement in your upper body strength and endurance. Consistency is key to seeing results. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps to start and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. This progressive overload is essential for continuous improvement. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it, and you'll see amazing results in no time. Your dedication will pay off with increased strength and endurance. Let's move on to the next exercise. Stay tuned for more tips and techniques to enhance your fitness journey. Next, we have squats. This fundamental exercise is a staple in many fitness routines for a reason. Squats are one of the best exercises for targeting your lower body. They are incredibly effective and versatile, making them suitable for all fitness levels. They work your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. This makes them a comprehensive exercise that can help you build strength and stability. Plus, they help improve your balance and coordination. This is particularly beneficial for athletes and anyone looking to enhance their overall physical performance. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointing slightly outward. This stance provides a stable base and helps you maintain balance. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and your knees in line with your toes. This ensures that you are engaging the right muscles and protecting your joints. Go as low as you can while maintaining good form, then push through your heels to return to the starting position. This movement should be controlled and deliberate to maximize effectiveness. Squats are fantastic for building muscle and burning fat. They are a compound movement, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once, which is great for overall fitness. They engage multiple muscle groups, which means you're burning more calories even after your workout is over. This is known as the afterburn effect, where your body continues to burn calories post-exercise. Plus, they help strengthen your joints and improve your overall mobility. This can be particularly beneficial as you age, helping to maintain your independence and quality of life. If you're new to squats, start with bodyweight squats. This allows you to focus on form and technique without the added challenge of weights. As you get stronger, you can add resistance by holding dumbbells or a barbell. This progression will help you continue to build strength and muscle. Remember to keep your movements slow and controlled, and focus on maintaining good form. This will help prevent injuries and ensure you're getting the most out of your workout. Incorporate squats into your workout routine and you'll see a noticeable difference in your lower body strength and muscle tone. Consistency is key to seeing results. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps to start, and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. This will help you build endurance and muscle over time. Consistency is key, so make sure to stick with it. Regular practice will lead to better results and help you achieve your fitness goals. Let's move on to the next exercise. Keep up the great work and stay focused on your fitness journey. Now let's talk about planks. This simple yet effective exercise is a staple in many fitness routines. Planks are an incredible exercise for building core strength and stability. They are versatile and can be done anywhere, without the need for any equipment. They target your abs, obliques, lower back, and even your shoulders and glutes. This makes them a comprehensive workout for your entire midsection. Plus, they're great for improving your posture. Good posture is essential for preventing injuries and ensuring that your body functions optimally. To perform a plank, start in a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Make sure your hands are shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, and engage your core. Imagine a straight line running from the top of your head to your heels. Hold this position for as long as you can while maintaining good form. It's important not to let your hips sag or your back arch. If you're a beginner, you can start with a modified plank by resting on your forearms instead of your hands. This variation is easier on the wrists and shoulders. As you get stronger, you can progress to a full plank. This will further challenge your core and upper body strength. Remember to keep your core tight and your movements controlled. This ensures that you are engaging the right muscles and getting the most out of the exercise. Planks are a fantastic way to build core strength without any equipment. They can be done at home, in the gym, or even outdoors. They help improve your balance and stability, which can benefit you in other exercises and daily activities. A strong core is essential for overall fitness and health. Plus, they're great for reducing back pain and improving your overall posture. A strong core supports your spine and can alleviate discomfort. Incorporate planks into your daily routine, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your core strength and stability. Consistency is key to seeing results. Aim to hold the plank for 30 seconds to start, and gradually increase the time as you get stronger. Challenge yourself to add a few more seconds each week. Consistency is key, so make sure to stick with it. Over time, you'll see improvements in your strength, endurance, and overall fitness. Let's move on to the next exercise. Keep up the great work and continue to challenge yourself. Next up, we have burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that boosts your cardiovascular fitness and burns a ton of calories. They target your legs, chest, arms, and core, making them a great addition to any workout routine. To perform a burpee, start in a standing position. Drop into a squat position and place your hands on the ground. Kick your feet back into a plank position, then immediately jump your feet back to the squat position. From there, jump up explosively with your arms reaching overhead. Burpees are challenging, but they're incredibly effective. They get your heart rate up and help improve your endurance. Plus, they're great for building strength and burning fat. If you're new to burpees, start with a modified version. Instead of jumping your feet back, step them back one at a time. As you get stronger, you can progress to the full burpee. Incorporate burpees into your workout routine, and you'll see a noticeable improvement in your cardiovascular fitness and overall strength. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps to start, and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. Consistency is key, so make sure to stick with it. Let's move on to the next exercise. Finally, we have lunges. Lunges are a fantastic exercise for improving balance and targeting the legs and glutes. They work your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core, making them a great addition to any workout routine. To perform a lunge, start by standing with your feet together. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position, then repeat on the other side. Lunges are great for building muscle and burning fat. They engage multiple muscle groups, which means you're burning more calories even after your workout is over. Plus, they help improve your balance and coordination. If you're new to lunges, start with bodyweight lunges. As you get stronger, you can add resistance by holding dumbbells or a barbell. Remember to keep your movements slow and controlled, and focus on maintaining good form. Incorporate lunges into your workout routine, and you'll see a noticeable difference in your leg and glute strength and muscle tone. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps on each leg to start, and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. Consistency is key, so make sure to stick with it. Let's wrap up this workout. Congratulations on completing this workout. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. Stick with these exercises for 30 days, and you'll be amazed at the transformation in your body and your fitness level. Don't forget to share your progress in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a workout. I'm here to support you every step of the way, and I have plenty more fitness tips and workouts coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. Keep pushing yourself, stay motivated, and most importantly, have fun with your fitness journey. You've got this. See you in the next video.